Welcome to Tech Leveler. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone never turn off. Now the first thing we want to do is head to the iPhone settings. So we want to tap into that here. Now within the settings, we want to scroll right the way down until we see battery. Then we want to tap into battery. Now we're going to want to make sure low power mode is actually turned off. So as it's turned on here, we'll tap it off. And you'll know it's turned off when it's greyed out like this. If we don't have it turned off, we won't be able to move on to the next step. Now we can move on to the next step. So let's go back into the main settings. Then from the main settings, let's select display and brightness here. Now within the display and brightness, let's scroll down here to this section auto lock. And let's tap into that. Then within this section here, you want to select never. Now with that turned on, your phone will never auto lock and it will never turn off. So no matter how long you leave it, the only way now to lock your phone is by pressing the power button. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.